What's the one device that can save you time, money, and stress on the road? Yet, most drivers still don't have. Have you ever found yourself in a he said, she said situation after a fender bender, wishing you had video proof? Or maybe you just want to capture those unexpected moments on your daily commute. Today, we're diving into the world of dash cams, counting down the 7 best models you can buy right now. I've tested each of these, putting them through real-world driving, day and night, in all kinds of conditions. Whether you're looking for top-tier video quality, advanced safety features, or just a reliable set-and-forget device, I've got you covered. Let's jump right in. ROVE R2 4K Pro. Starting off our list is the ROVE R2 4K Pro, a dash cam that's become a favorite for budget-conscious drivers seeking 4K recording. On paper, the specs are impressive. 4K resolution, a 150-degree field of view, dual-band Wi-Fi, GPS, G-sensor for crash detection, and a supercapacitor for enhanced durability in extreme temperatures. During my tests, the ROVE delivered sharp daytime video and decent night footage, with its Sony Starvis IMX335 sensor handling city lights and headlight glare reasonably well. Setup is relatively straightforward thanks to the suction cup mount, and I appreciated the flexibility of the camera's positioning. The companion app offers a live view and lets you tweak settings, although you'll need to create a ROVE account to use it, which feels like an unnecessary extra step. The built-in GPS logs your speed and route, which is a nice touch for insurance claims or reliving a scenic drive. However, the ROVE R2 4K Pro isn't without its flaws. Despite the 4K marketing, the real-world resolution feels closer to 1440p, and the video quality, while good, doesn't quite match the clarity of higher-end competitors. Night vision is passable, but heavily reliant on street lighting. If you drive in poorly lit areas, you might find the footage lacking in detail, especially from the rear camera if you opt for the dual setup. The default settings also need a lot of tweaking out of the box. I found myself turning off several annoying voice prompts and adjusting video modes before I was satisfied. 6. 70mm A810. The A810's 4K front camera, powered by the Sony Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor, delivers some of the best video quality I've seen in this price range. Crisp, vibrant, and detailed in both daylight and nighttime conditions. The 150-degree field of view ensures you capture everything happening ahead, and HDR technology keeps exposure balanced even when driving into the sun or through dark tunnels. Installation is simple, with sticky mounts for both the front and rear cameras. The 3-inch IPS display is bright and easy to use, and the camera is packed with features. Built-in GPS, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, AI-powered ADAS alerts, and even 4G connectivity for remote monitoring with an optional hardwire kit. The parking surveillance and time-lapse modes are great for keeping an eye on your car when you're not around, though you'll need to buy the hardwire kit separately. But the A810 isn't perfect. The rear camera, while serviceable at 1080p, doesn't match the front's quality and struggles in low light, with colors sometimes looking washed out or noisy. The build is mostly plastic, durable enough, but it doesn't feel as premium as some rivals. The interface is also button-based, not touchscreen, which makes navigating menus a bit clunky. One issue I encountered was with the emergency video function. It only saves about 2 seconds before an incident, which means you might miss crucial footage leading up to an event. This is a significant oversight, as most dash cams save 20 to 30 seconds prior. 5. Garmin Dash Cam Mini 3. At number 5 is the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 3, a model that proves big things can come in small packages. This dash cam is tiny, about the size of a car key, making it one of the most discreet options out there. Despite its size, it records 1080p HD video with a 140-degree field of view, capturing clear, stable footage day and night. The Clarity HDR optics help reduce glare and improve low-light performance, and the built-in G-sensor ensures incidents are automatically saved. One of my favorite features is Garmin's voice control, which lets you save footage or mute the mic hands-free, a real plus for safety. The Mini 3 can also sync with up to 4 other Garmin dash cams, allowing for multi-angle coverage if you want to go all in on surveillance. Pairing with the Garmin Drive app is straightforward, letting you change settings and view footage wirelessly, though the transfer speeds can be slow and you'll need a subscription for cloud storage. There are some trade-offs. The Mini 3 lacks GPS, so you won't get speed or location data on your recordings. There's also no display, so all setup and playback must be done through the app. While the video quality is good for 1080p, it doesn't match the detail of true 4K competitors, and some users may find the price a bit steep for the feature set. Still, if you want a reliable, ultra-compact dash cam that just works, the Garmin Mini 3 is a great choice. 4. Miofive Dash Cam. Moving up the list, the Miofive Dash Cam, specifically the S1 Ultra, delivers a compelling combination of 4K recording, robust build quality, and user-friendly design. Both the front and rear cameras record in 4K, producing sharp, vibrant, and stable footage even in challenging lighting conditions. The night vision performance is impressive, with the large aperture lenses and advanced sensors capturing clear details after dark. Setup is a breeze, and the 3-inch display is intuitive to navigate. The dash cam includes GPS for speed and route logging, 5 GHz Wi-Fi for fast video transfers, and a supercapacitor for improved durability in extreme temperatures. I particularly like the voice guidance and customizable alert settings, which can be tailored to your preferences. The built-in parking mode offers several options, including time-lapse and impact detection, though you'll need a hardwire kit for full functionality. There are a few minor downsides. The windscreen mount, while adjustable, doesn't lock horizontally, so you'll want to double-check alignment during installation. The parking mode can drain your car's battery if left plugged in for extended periods, and the stream of voice alerts, while helpful, can become a bit chatty. Still, the Miofive S1 Ultra stands out for its video quality, ease of use, and value for money, especially if you want true 4K coverage front and rear. Number 3. Vantrue N4. 3. Cracking the top 3 is the Vantrue N4 III, a dash cam designed for those who want total coverage. The N4 features a triple camera system, a 4K front camera, a 1080p interior camera with infrared night vision, and a 1080p rear camera. This setup is perfect for rideshare drivers, families, or anyone who wants to monitor both the road and the cabin. The video quality is excellent, with HDR processing on the front camera and clear, detailed footage from all angles, even at night. Installation is straightforward, though routing the rear camera cable requires some patience. The 2.45-inch IPS screen is bright and easy to use, and the built-in GPS logs your speed and route for added peace of mind. The N4 includes all the essentials: loop recording, G-sensor emergency saves, parking mode, and reliable motion detection. A couple of things to note: the N4 is on the larger side, and the screen brightness can't be adjusted, which may be distracting at night 34. There's no Wi-Fi, so you'll need to remove the SD card or connect the camera to a computer to view footage. The price is higher than some competitors, but the comprehensive coverage and build quality make it a worthwhile investment if you want maximum protection. 2. Vantrue E360. Runner-up is the Vantrue E360, a dash cam that redefines what's possible with 360-degree coverage. With dual 210-degree fisheye lenses, the E360 captures a seamless 5.2K panoramic view, eliminating blind spots and giving you a complete bubble of surveillance around your vehicle. The image stitching technology works impressively well, producing clear, high-resolution footage both day and night, thanks to dual Sony Starvis 2 sensors and advanced HDR processing. The E360 is packed with features: GPS, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, voice and touch controls, and a compact touchscreen for easy setup and playback. The parking mode is robust, with buffered recording that captures events before and after motion or impact, ideal for catching hit and runs or vandalism. You can even use the E360 as a handheld 360-degree action camera, making it uniquely versatile. There are a few quirks. The 360-degree footage, while comprehensive, can be challenging to edit or zoom in on distant details like license plates. The app, while functional, is sometimes buggy and prone to crashing, which can be frustrating when you need quick access to footage. The device is bulkier than standard dash cams and requires a hardwire kit for full parking surveillance features. Still, if you want the ultimate in coverage and flexibility, the Vantrue E360 is a standout choice. 1. VIOFO A229 Pro. Topping our list is the VIOFO A229 Pro, a dash cam that sets the standard for performance, reliability, and feature set. The A229 Pro boasts true 4K front and rear cameras, with the rear unit delivering higher resolution and clarity than most competitors, a real advantage for capturing crucial details in any incident. The advanced Sony Starvis 2 sensors ensure superb video quality day and night, with minimal noise and excellent color accuracy. Installation is straightforward, and the device offers a wealth of customization through the VIOFO app, including exposure adjustments for tinted windows and the ability to turn off status LEDs for a stealthier look. The A229 Pro includes GPS, Wi-Fi, parking mode, G-sensor, and a robust build that feels premium and durable. I found the app intuitive and responsive, making it easy to review footage, adjust settings, and transfer files. The A229 Pro's parking mode is particularly impressive, offering buffered recording and motion detection to ensure you never miss an incident. The camera supports up to 512GB micro SD cards, so storage is never an issue, even with high bitrate 4K video. While the price is at the higher end, the combination of video quality, reliability, and advanced features makes the VIOFO A229 Pro the best dash cam you can buy right now. Final thought. So which dash cam is right for you? Whether you're after budget-friendly basics, all-around protection, or the ultimate in video quality and coverage, there's an option here that fits your needs. If you've got questions about any of these models or want to see sample footage, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more real-world tech reviews. Safe driving, and see you next time.